to fix Roblox Studio collaboration session crashing. So let me tell you guys, Roblox Studio is officially a desktop-only application and is not supported natively on mobile devices. If you are using third-party browser workarounds, remote desktop streaming, or pseudo studio experiences like Studio Lite inside the Roblox mobile app to collaborate, crashes are caused by severe memory limits and network sync drops. Now, what you can do is switch to a PC. Just access the project via the official Roblox Creator Hub on a Windows or Mac computer that meets the 4 GB RAM minimum requirement to run real team create sessions stably. Now the next thing what you can do is reduce network load. If you're streaming via remote desktop, lower your mobile network latency or switch from cellular data to a stable Wi-Fi network. Now the next what you can do is, if you are an Android device, clear your mobile device's temporary app cache, and then if you are an iOS device, just go to the existing Roblox app, then tap and hold on it, then tap remove app. Now tap delete app to complete it, to confirm it. Then go to your Apple App Store, find the Roblox app and then reinstall it from there. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.